Yo guys, look at my Dragon City account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Dragon City modded version with unlimited resources, gems, coins, food, gold, everything is unlocked. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So this works on iPhone and it also works on Android. So you guys are going to be good to go. So just go over this site right here. And once you're there, guys, just type in Dragon City and you're going to see the Dragon City mod. So we're just going to go ahead and press on it and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, you may see something that tells you that you need to download some missing files. So this is normal, guys. It's just a precaution. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's going to load up the Dragon City mod. So let's just give it a second here. All right. So basically, guys, it's 100% now. So here it is, missing files, additional files are required for Dragon City mod. So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but you're going to see all these apps, and basically all you got to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. So this one says reach level 10, so just press continue, download it, and reach level 10. There's some other ones, so we've got this one, reach level 9, same thing. Now, if you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. I'm using an Android, so it's going to bring me to the Play Store. But that's how you get the Dragon City mod. Just download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. You're going to be all good to go, guys. So it fully works. I've tested many Dragon City hacks, and this is the best one, guys. Unlimited everything for free. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And I've a couple times thought about Dragon City hacks, but this one is legit, guys. It's so good.